Watch your app come to life with the Thunkable Live app, which allows you to interact with your app directly on your device. The Thunkable Live app connects the projects in your web browser to your mobile device. Any changes you make in your browser are displayed on your device, making Thunkable Live an incredible tool for testing and iterating quickly. In addition, Thunkable Live allows you to test functionality that is native to mobile devices, such as sensors, maps, Bluetooth Low Energy, and cameras. To get started, simply download the Thunkable Live app to your Android or iOS device. Open the app on your device. If you access your Thunkable account through Google or Apple, click the corresponding button and proceed through their authentication flow. If you access your Thunkable account through email, click the email sign-in button to generate a test code. The code appears on your device's screen. In your browser, click the Live Test on Device icon, enter the test code that appears on your device, and click Connect. Preview and test your app on your device with Thunkable Live. Click the Home button to see your project's homepage, and click the gear icon followed by Sign Out to log out. It's as simple as that. Preview, test, and troubleshoot your apps directly on your device in the palm of your hand with Thunkable Live. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. And remember, innovation should have no limits.